And we are live today from Houston, Texas. It is lesson 7 of 10 that we are providing our audience here on how to get hired by the major hosting company. I'm gonna do a sound check. Sound check
10 that we are
is
providing.
done. Really good. We'd like to do a quick sound check every time we do a live stream just to make sure that our audience has audio. Now that we have done a sound check, what is the other thing? I'm gonna ask one of my students. What is the other thing? Somebody that is streaming a live session, a live broadcast. What else should they do? What else should they do?
Share it in the Facebook.
You should share it on Facebook. That is correct, Manuel. And we are going to do that really quickly. So I just go to, typically this is done through the page that you're broadcasting through. In our case, we are broadcasting through viewin.com. And because that's the case, I'm going to do two things actually. I'm going to ping my page to the very top. That means this is the first thing that will come up when people go to our page. And then in addition to pinging this to the very top, as Manuel stated, I am going to share it on my personal page. Here we go. And let's see. Typically, if you own pages, it'll give you different options to select. It's towards the top, bottom right of the video. And then you just either give it a like or do a reaction to it and then just share it publicly. And that is it. For today, we are going to be having a very special session because one of the things that I want to do in every session is to gain real knowledge, not just mental knowledge, but real experience through the course of action that we take here. So what we are going to do today is provide our two students that are here some instructions, okay? Now, Manuel, you can send me a quick message via Facebook, and I'm going to reply to that message with some information. I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna share with you the password to our webpage, Save Love. And so let's see. And Christina, do you have a Facebook or no?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, that's fine. Let me send me a text, would you, real quick, and I'll send you the information that you'll use to go ahead and log into the cPanel.
Okay.
Manuel, I'm just sending it to you right now. So look
Yeah,
at.
I'm just logging in. Just a moment.
Okay, it's already there. Whenever you get to your messages, look for it, and you should be able to access that information that has the username and the password. Now, don't share that with anybody. That's top secret.
There you go.
And
And it comes a hacker, and then it takes it. Okay.
no hacking. Okay. All right. So, Christina, did you send me the message
Yes.
already?
Through text message, yeah.
Okay,
Let's
one message.
see. All right. I will check real quick and send you that information. Give me a second. All right, so we have received a message from your end as well. So let's go ahead and send you. Give me a second here.
Okay, I got the password. Then are we going to be both reaching the cPanel or the WordPress administration at the same time?
Yeah, hold on for instructions on that part. We should get to
Okay.
there in a second. I want to make sure we get Christina the same information. Okay. Um, hmm. Give me 1 second here. It's rare to meet people that don't have Facebook accounts. All right. So, all
I
right.
was one. I was one of them.
All right. So, your first task is to share your screen with me. Now, you do that by going to the green arrow on the top left corner. You should see Google, and then the arrow will be right next to it.
I'm here.
Okay. Now, cool. I see that you have shared it. Um, okay, Christina. Likewise, I'm gonna need for you to share your screen.
Okay, I'm connected on Hangouts through my phone
Are
because
you,
I've had issues connecting on my computer.
do you have access to your computer?
Yes.
Okay. Can you? Okay, so the homework that we're gonna be trying to get accomplished today, or the work that we're gonna do today, is gonna be through your computer. It's gonna be a workshop today. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, I want both of you to access the cPanel using one of the methods that I have taught you. So using the username, the first part is the username, the last part is the password. Use the username and the password that I've given you, and please access your cPanel. And I want you guys to tell me how you are going about doing this. So just kind of tell me, I am doing it this way, and so on. And so right now, what I would ask is, Manuel, can you start on your end? Tell me how you're going to access cPanel.
Yes. I am going to go to the domain and type 2083 to log in securely. And then I am in cPanel. You are looking at it. And then the user, and then the password. I must put capital. Let me see. Yeah,
Well,
the capital.
that didn't work. You quickly broadcast a password there, but that's fine. Um, we'll remove
Oh,
it.
I have not the user.
It's fine. I will go ahead and
Where is the where is the username?
it's the first one. Go back to your account.
To, yes,
See the first one? That's the username.
I just have a word, and then it says today's homework 1, 2, 3, and
Manuel,
uh, there.
there's two pieces of information there. Go back to the bottom. There's two pieces of information. First information is the username. The second is the password.
Oops! No, I just received one.
No, no. Yes, that is one text, but two
Uh-huh.
pieces of information separated by a space or line. The first part is the username. The second part here. Let me resend this to you.
Yeah, please.
Username, password.
But that's what I wrote.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Why don't you copy and paste it?
That's what I want to do.
Okay. Copy and paste and make sure there's no white lines in between it. Okay, that's the password. Copy the password.
Yeah.
There you go.
I am in.
That's one of the things that you will have to walk a lot of your clients through is making sure that they're utilizing the right password. So a lot of times it's just probably worth the shot to have them reset the password. Now, Christina, were you able to log into your cPanel with the credentials that I gave you? Your mic is muted,
Yes.
by the way.
I'm logged in. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so
I'm trying to fix the Hangouts problem.
okay, no worries. Sounds good. The first thing that I want you guys to do, and it's taking a little bit of time on your end, Manuel, but hopefully we'll get you in there. There you go. All
Yeah,
right,
the thing is that I guess my computer is slow.
no worries.
Okay.
All right. So now the first thing that I want you to do is install your very own copy of WordPress onto a subdirectory.
Okay, then I need to create a subdirectory.
Actually, you don't.
No?
You don't.
What you want I do?
Well, go to the normal steps on how you would install WordPress.
Uh-huh. Over there I can
Same instructions for you, Christina. Install WordPress on a subdirectory.
Okay.
then we just install now. Mm, And then we are going to put in save log in the directory, and then what is the name of the subdirectory?
Whatever you want to name it.
Um,
Christina, let me know when yours is completed.
I'm getting there. The thing is that I guess our network is a little slow because everybody's watching the elections. We have provincial elections in British Columbia, Canada. And everybody is, and then the internet is slow because now we all are using the internet to have TV.
Yes. Very nice. All right, so you're at 95% there.
Okay, mine's installing now.
Yours is installing. Is it installing or installed already?
Installing.
Okay.
15%.
Well, it's stuck in 95.
Well, let it go. Let it go.
It says this may take 3 to 4 minutes.
It may, but typically shouldn't.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier I installed one in one of my sites in a subdirectory, and it was just 2 seconds. But now it's slow.
Christina, how long? How far is yours? Along.
75%.
Okay.
Maybe because we are installing at the same time.
No, it wouldn't be relevant.
I shouldn't, but
Yeah, and I'm looking at the server. The server is fine.
you know, it happens with technology. When you want it to work perfect, it's simply, okay, I am in.
All right.
And say love and enhanced love.
All right. Now go ahead and access the administrator URL. Go ahead and log in.
Okay.
Okay, now you are in. What I want you to do is go ahead and show me that page on a browser. Not the, keep that page open, but open a new tab and show me that specific directory, in the browser.
Sorry. Yeah.
You made two mistakes on that one, so
Yeah.
try it again.
Sorry.
Mine's been on 95% for a while. So I think it just does it that way.
Give it a second, yeah. That was the first mistake you had made. You didn't put .com, you just put .com.
SaveIt.com, and the subdirectory it was enhanced.
Nope. You had enhanced dash love.
Yeah. Huh.
Now, hold on.
I love your eyes. You are like an eagle.
Well, here's the thing. When you're troubleshooting, you got to understand that not every issue that comes in, a customer is always right.
Yeah.
They could have made a mistake. Just like, did you misspell the word? Like,
Yeah.
stuff like that. So those are the things that you always. That's why you do some basic troubleshooting to start with. All right. So now go to your dashboard again, and I want you to upload a free theme for this blog. I want you to upload a brand new theme.
A free one.
A free one.
Then it says one of the future.
Do you guys remember how to, the site that I showed you that offer a free theme?
Themify.me.
Yes.
That's very slow. Okay. And then if from, I don't see theme 5 here.
Actually, you had one there. Go up, go up, go up, go up. I think that one that, hold on, go down. The one that says cPanel, or something like that. I think that
Prospera.
I think that one's from Themify. But you're not gonna find Themify there.
I'm going to install this one. That's okay.
Sure, go ahead. All right. Looks like it's installing that theme.
Yeah.
Any luck on your end, Christina, on getting your laptop fixed?
No, not yet. But it just finished installing WordPress.
All right. So the task is log into your dashboard and install a free theme from Themify.
And I am going to activate it, okay?
Yeah, go ahead and activate it. And show me now. Refresh your blog for me. Not that one. The live one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll up and down. There you go. You have now a new theme. Now go to the very bottom. I want to see. It says powered by. Let's see. Powered by the Ghafir Saeed. All right. Now.
Ghafir Sayed. Sayed. Oh,
Sayed. Go ahead and delete that theme. Go ahead and what I want you to do. Hold on. What I want you to do is go to Themify, download a free theme, and go ahead and install it.
It was Themify. Let me remember how it is spelled. It is Themify.com.
Themify.com. On there, go to on Themify is THE.
TH.
Yeah, THE. Got that? Is a THEMIFY.
Emo F.
MA. There you go. Yeah, MA.
Themify.
Well, no, actually, that's my fault. It's THEMIFY. Themify. I instead of the y. Yeah, there you go. You don't have to put .com because it's not a .com. Just look for Themify and it'll give you the link.
Okay.
IX Quick are you subscribed to them or
To this one?
to that site?
So, it's a search engine. No problem. I'm not.
It's not a virus search engine or anything.
No, it's a browser that apparently it eliminates everything and then just makes it easy. Apparently. Okay.
See where it
Number
says,
five.
yeah. See, it says free.
You see,
You can
this is
choose.
the one that I have installed, no? No.
Yeah, you can actually choose any of those. You can. Let's start with the iTheme 2. That's the one that we've been working on. So click on it, and click on the right hand side where it says download. Just click download. All right. Now I want you to upload that theme that you just downloaded onto your CMS there. Christina, how's it going along with you uploading the theme?
Hey, I'm kind of struggling to log in.
I forgot the name of this. Let me see. It was. I know that's not giving me chance. Sorry. The name is iTeam 2. Okay. It's just installing the. Okay. Okay, then we can say live preview or I'll go to here. That none of
So
this.
now go ahead and activate it.
Each one of the. Oh my God! Someone is calling, but it's for that reason. Someone invented
Put
answering
no
machines.
thanks. Put no thanks.
Uh,
Right there where it says no thanks.
no thanks. Okay. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. And I close. Okay.
Go to your blog now, the tab where it shows you the live version of your website, and refresh it.
Okay.
Okay, new theme is up. All right. Now, I want you to set this to. I want you to set the home page to a static page.
The sample page.
No. I want you to set the home page to a static page.
No, I'm sorry.
Go to your home page. Go to the tab where it contains your live um, web page. What do you see there? Hello world, right?
Uh-huh.
That's a blog. That's a post. I don't want you to have your front page featured to a post. I want it to be to a page. So change it from a post to a page.
Publish it one. But then I add a new page, and then I am going to say enter title, and this is going to be the home page.
You can name it home then.
And you want to add something?
You can if you want. Just put home page. Not a problem.
It's because every okay, and then now you want that I make it to make it my page, my home page, then all pages, and then this is going to be
Christina, how's it going on your end?
I'm trying to get into PHP, my admin, to see my username or what I'm doing wrong, and it's taking a very long time to load.
a sample page. It's going to be log home. Then my blog, and then refresh. This is going to be.
So what is the task, Manuel? What is the task right now?
I need to change the sample page. I need to eliminate it or and then make the home page appear like the main page. Is that it?
Okay, but go to your main blog real quick.
Yeah, I am.
Go to the main blog. You're in your dashboard. Go to your main blog, the tab where your blog is at, displaying to the world. Okay. What do you see there?
The blog. There is a blog here. Hello world.
Hello world.
And
That is not the page. That is not the. Go to my blog. Okay. See where it says sample page?
yeah.
That's not what it's showing over there. It's not showing a sample page. He's showing a blog. Where is that blog coming from?
Let me see.
Now, this is where I want to show that there's a big disconnect between information and practicality.
Of course.
Okay. So, where is the blog coming from?
I forgot.
Where can you find that one page that says
I guess in settings, it was settings, permalinks, I think. Let me see. Yes. And then I am going to put this custom structure. Not the sample post, not the archive, not the sample. I am going to do this.
before you do that, I'm just gonna say that that's not it.
Okay. A plane? No, not because it is going to be just that. Oh,
Go to reading under settings. If you go to look at settings, put your go down,
Uh-huh.
reading.
Reading. Okay. Uh-huh. Then a static page and the home page, the one that I created. Okay, and post page,
Nothing.
I am
Nothing.
I'm not going to put anything because it is okay. Save changes.
Go back and refresh your blog.
Now it's home.
Okay. Now go ahead and add 3 new pages to your website.
Okay. Pages. Add a new. And it's going to be whatever name.
Yes, add a name.
Okay. Page on one.
I'm logged in. I'm gonna install a theme.
Okay, perfect. What's the name of your site, Christina? What is the subdirectory that you installed it?
It's just my first name, Christina. Sorry.
Just Christina?
Yes.
How do you spell it?
CHRISTINA.
If I go to saved love, I'll share my screen with you. And I put Christina, I get a 404 page. What does that mean?
That's what it kept happening to me.
Okay.
But try a capital C. Oh, and you have an extra A at the end.
Oh, an extra A?
Oh no, at before the N,
Mm-hmm.
after the I, you have an extra A.
Oh, I do have an extra A. Okay, troubleshooting. There you go. All right, so your blog is installed. Now go ahead and upload a free Themify theme for your blog.
Okay.
And let me know when that's ready, and we'll check on Manuel. Manuel, you are
In the pages,
in the pages.
I was adding the pages just a moment. I don't know why it is. I add 1, 2, 3 pages.
Okay.
Page 1, page 2, page 3.
And go ahead and delete sample page.
Okay.
Okay, refresh your blog.
Yes.
All right. You notice that none of the pages are showing up?
No.
Go on the right hand side, those 3 little
Yeah.
yeah, go
Squares
yeah, whatever,
or
I don't know what it's called, but it go up in those little graphics
yeah.
on your blog. Go up a little bit. See the 3 little lines next to the magnifying glass?
The sandwich.
The pages are there.
Mhm.
I think
It is called the icon. This is called the hamburger icon.
oh, okay. The hamburger icon. I think what you need to do is you need to open your browser a little more. It's okay to cover the Hangouts.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, there it is. All right, so you got the 3 pages. Now I want you to add an image to one of the pages.
Uh, on the page 1 to 3. Okay, okay. Then pages in my blog.
Let's do it to the front page. Front page, add an image.
Let me remember where it is. The front page, add image. The front page, edit, and add media. But I haven't downloaded any media. I have no library. And then add new. And then let me see. I'm here.
Remember, there's a website that allows you to get free downloads, free
It was.
pictures.
I cannot remember which one is. Let me see.
Pixabay.
Yeah, Pixabay.
That is correct. You can probably get one there.
In Pixabay, they have also images, no?
Yes, we covered that one.
Oh, yes, okay. I like this. Then I just copy, or I download. I need to download to my
I think you just click on it and I'll let you download it. I think. Free download.
Okay, I installed the theme.
You install the theme? Okay, let's take a look. Where did you get the theme from?
From themify.com or .me. It was called Basic.
church window.
Okay, so you got the basics. So I want you to do the following 2 things. I want you to create 4 pages. Delete the 2 ones that are there, the contact and short codes. Delete both of those. Create 4 pages. One called home, the next home 1, home 2, home 3, and those will be your 4 pages.
Okay.
Number 5 and select media. Okay. Do I need to edit? I don't think so.
Not in today's course.
No. And then here in pages, and then edit, and then add media. Okay. It's okay if I leave this homepage there, or you want it there, or you want it at the top.
Oh, that's fine where it's at. Leave it. You can leave it there now.
Update, and then the preview changes. Okay.
Perfect.
I have an image.
Perfect. All right. All right, Manuel. That's gonna be the task for today. Now,
Wow.
you
I
stop.
get it.
You stop sharing now your screen. Let me have a conversation with you.
Yeah, sorry.
And then as soon as Christina is done on her end as well, we'll have a conversation with her. But I want her to finish those tasks for today. So Manuel, I'll wait for you. Stop sharing your screen though.
Let me see.
Go back to Google Hangouts.
Yeah. But I need to expand it in order.
No, don't worry about it. Yeah, you don't have to do that. Just put stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
No, not there. Up, stop, up, right
Stop.
there.
Okay.
Yes. There you
Okay.
go. Don't worry. No need to spam. All right, Manuel.
I am here again.
So, Manuel, what are the challenges that you found when doing the actual work?
Number one, that I need to be more to study more the interface of the templates and the WordPress itself first, and I need to be a little more familiar with the shortcuts and all of the items. But in reality, what I find is this is a very intuitive and easy CMS to work with. In the first instance, the thing is that my knowledge about it, or my training, or how can I say, my experience with WordPress is limited now. But I think with more practice, I am on to really like it, and I find it very intuitive, as I'm telling you, and easy to work with.
That's great. What did you find? Did you surprise yourself though? Was it that? Did you feel like, wow, I actually was able to do this from start to, getting to a beginner's level to where you were able to add pages, make the homepage correct.
I can tell you something. If you were going to ask me to do this, what I did now, for sure with your guidance, but if you were going to ask me to do this last week, I was not having a clue, really. I was not having a clue what in reality WordPress is now. And then I find it very stimulative. It is very. I want to read more. I want to know more about this interface because it is very intuitive. But I
Perfect.
need to be a little more familiar. A little to be faster. And this is okay. This is it. This is it. But it is because it's intuitive. It gives you the the tools very easy, but you need to be a little familiar with them. Is what I find.
All right, Christina, time's up. Okay,
All right.
Christina, let's talk about your part. Where did you find the challenges today?
Logging in was the first challenge, but I
What
had to look through my notes.
why was logging in a problem?
I think the capital C is what got me. Something as simple as that.
Okay. What about the password? I heard that you had to go to PHP to get the password.
Well, to look at my username, I knew my password, but I didn't know what I did wrong, but I finally got into it.
The username. Did did you guys? What I noticed from Manuel was that Manuel did not enter a password himself, because right now Manuel has no idea what the password to his CMS is. It just took him directly there. He clicked on the link that says access my dashboard here, and so Manuel, next time he tries to access this, he's not gonna have a way to do it. So he's gonna have to probably take the same route as you did to get in. How valuable was it though that you were able to know exactly where to go to find a way into your CMS via PHP MyAdmin?
And it was nice. It's kind of like a puzzle. It was fun because I knew where to find the information. I just had to troubleshoot.
So when you know something, when you know where the information is located, it makes getting the answers a lot quicker and you're more positive about it, right? And it makes you more of an expert to that customer, correct?
Yeah.
For sure.
Okay. So today's exercise I felt was a very decent explanation as to where you guys are so far, because we've been talking a lot about it. We've been, looking and all that, but also feel that doing it is part of the process. And I today, from what I saw, you guys have done a fantastic job retaining a lot of the information. I didn't expect for you guys to be 100% on everything. I just expected you guys to have a general idea of what what you needed to do. And I was very proud to see that you guys were able to go in, download a theme, upload a theme, make that theme active, remove pages, add pages, and even in Manuel's case, he added a photo to his homepage. And not only that, but set the homepage to a specific one that you choose. That in itself, guys, I'll tell you the truth. You probably are more advanced than 85% of the people that go looking for a web hosting job.
Oh, wow.
So just by knowing this information, you guys are probably 85% more knowledgeable in terms of some of these areas. Most people don't have a clue how to access their cPanel. They've never actually done it. They heard about it. They probably read about it for the interviews, but they just never actually had that drive to get into a course like this where we show you how to do it. We show you how to work a little bit with the preferred CMS for most people out there, which is WordPress. How to add the script specifically through in this case through Software Culius, whatever it's called. And then not only that, but access the dashboard, modified a little bit in terms of adding the theme, activating the theme. All of that is very practical when it comes to understanding what you're going to be working with. And in Christina's case, as she stated, going into PHP My Admin was a huge thing. I was very proud to hear that. Hey, I'm in here trying to get my information. So I was very proud to see the work that was done today. So guys, thank you so much for joining this lesson. Tomorrow we'll continue to do this, but your homework today is to give me 4 completed pages and 1 completed homepage. So tomorrow I will look at your results, at your full at everything that you guys did. Make it nice, make it appealing. I will be grading these pages. This is like 3 or 4 homeworks in one, but we are coming down to the wire. Tomorrow is day 8. Unfortunately, yesterday I was not able to do it, but today on day 8, I want to go ahead and give you guys this opportunity to show us what you were able to learn through these 7 courses so far. So are you guys very clear on the task that you guys will be doing in terms of your homework?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much today. We are live, as I stated, from Houston, Texas, and I want to thank everybody that joined us via Facebook Live, and for those that are following us through YouTube, thank you so much for doing that, and we'll see you on the next run that we have here on Viewing You. Take care.